The U.S. government has introduced significant updates to the H-1B visa policy for 2024, marking a shift in the landscape for foreign workers seeking to work in the U.S. in specialty occupations. These changes aim to improve the efficiency, transparency, and fairness of the H-1B visa process, while addressing concerns about the program's effectiveness in meeting the needs of both employers and skilled foreign workers. One of the most notable updates is the introduction of a new registration system for the H-1B lottery, designed to make the process more streamlined and equitable. The previous system, which required applicants to submit extensive paperwork and wait for a lottery selection, often led to delays and confusion. The new system simplifies this by implementing an electronic registration process that allows employers to submit their candidates' details before the lottery. Once the registration period closes, only those selected will be invited to submit a complete application, reducing administrative burdens for both applicants and the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS). Additionally, the 2024 policy updates introduce more clarity on the definition of specialty occupations, specifying that applicants must demonstrate a higher level of education or expertise relevant to the job. This aligns with the program's intent to ensure that the H-1B visa is used to fill positions that require advanced knowledge or skill, thereby benefiting the U.S. workforce and economy. There is also a focus on addressing concerns about wage levels, as the new updates aim to ensure that foreign workers are paid fairly and in line with prevailing wage rates for their specific roles and regions. To this end, the policy introduces stricter enforcement of wage requirements and requires employers to provide more detailed information on compensation packages, including bonuses, benefits, and other forms of remuneration. The goal is to prevent the misuse of the H-1B program, where foreign workers were sometimes hired at wages below market rates, undercutting U.S. workers and contributing to exploitation in some industries. Another key change involves improving the path to permanent residency for H-1B visa holders. Under the updated policy, there is an increased emphasis on providing a smoother transition for H-1B workers to obtain green cards, particularly for those employed in STEM fields. The policy prioritizes these workers to help retain talent in the U.S., with a focus on reducing waiting times for green card processing and enhancing the overall experience for foreign workers pursuing permanent residency. The 2024 updates also reflect a push for greater transparency in the application process, with USCIS now requiring employers to post job openings publicly before filing H-1B petitions, ensuring that the U.S. labor market has been sufficiently tested before foreign workers are hired. This update addresses concerns that some employers were using the H-1B program to fill roles that could have been filled by qualified U.S. workers, potentially displacing domestic talent. The public posting requirement is intended to create more accountability, ensuring that employers are hiring foreign workers only when no qualified U.S. workers are available. Furthermore, the new policy includes provisions for enhancing the flexibility of the H-1B program to better accommodate industries with fast-evolving skill requirements. This includes the introduction of more flexible work arrangements, such as remote work or hybrid models, particularly relevant in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. The ability for H-1B workers to work remotely for U.S.-based employers without needing to be physically located in the U.S. in some cases will help attract top talent from around the world while ensuring that U.S. employers remain competitive in the global market. By streamlining the application process, ensuring fair wages, and offering clearer pathways to permanent residency, the 2024 policy updates aim to strengthen the program's integrity while making it more accessible to high-skilled foreign workers. However, as with any major policy change, the full effects of these updates will unfold over time, with both employers and potential visa holders needing to adapt to the new system. It is also anticipated that these updates will spark ongoing discussions around the balance between attracting foreign talent and protecting the interests of the domestic workforce. Overall, the new H-1B visa policy updates for 2024 reflect a modernized approach to addressing the challenges of skilled immigration